So a project like this takes many cheerleaders and funding partners, and the Pennsylvania Council of the Arts has been both from the very beginning. The PCA awarded Impact Corry a Creative Communities Initiative in 2021. The program provides multi-year funding for place-based, community-driven, arts-based projects that serve as catalysts for social cohesion, livability, and community and economic development. PCA funds were used to design, fabricate, and install the new artistic bike rack you see before you.
Corry has been so creative, and it's just amazing what this town has done in the economy of especially the downtown.
I think it is so important, something to make Corry stand out. This could really become a draw for people to come just to see the artwork, and then they're going to eat, they're going to get gas, they're going to shop while they're looking. I think it'll be huge for us.
The Corry Rails Plus Trails Park has the potential to be maybe the most transformational project to happen to Corry in quite a long time.
So these projects are valuable. They do harness the talent of local artists, that's the one thing, in the community revitalization, but they also contribute to a deeper community identity.
I said a couple of years ago that we were in a renaissance, and I think that we really are, and I think we're starting to gain some momentum with that renaissance.
And we're here to celebrate and present to the community a new, functional, beautiful, whimsical piece of public art that has been in the making for at least 2 years.
Since they're all outdoor pieces, they wanted to incorporate the nature theme. So they kind of blend in with the parks and the outdoor areas that they're going to be in.
Instead of just being a practical bike rack, which normally has no attraction to it at all, is that here the bike rack is artistic, and that instead of just being the plain bike rack, they're artists designed and created, and so they don't just serve a practical function, but they also highlight the unique character of Corry as a vibrant and creative community.
We are very excited for what the potential for the park could be. To take a piece of property that's, I don't know if it's technically blighted, but it is not an attractive piece of property in our town, that people drive by constantly and sit at stoplights looking at this piece of nothing. To make that into a beautiful park is really going to have a very positive impact on our city.